Good morning, children. In the previous video, we had learned about the three classes of nutrients. In this session, I shall take up mineral salts. Mineral salts is broadly classified into two categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are those nutrients which are needed by the body in large quantity, and the micronutrient elements are calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, sulfur and chlorine. Micronutrients are those nutrients which are needed in small quantities by the body. Nutrients which are required in small quantity are iron, cobalt, copper, zinc, iodine, fluorine, manganese and molybdenum. Now, I shall take up each element and discuss their source, function and deficiency disease. Let's start with calcium. Calcium are the constituents of bones and enamel of the teeth. So, for proper growth of bones and teeth, calcium is required. Calcium is also one of the elements which is used during clotting of blood. That is, when you get injured, the blood clots, and this clotting takes place with the help of calcium. Deficiency of calcium causes disease called rickets, where there is poor skeletal growth. Calcium-rich food are dairy products, beans and cabbage. Now let's see how sodium helps our body. Sodium helps to regulate acid-base equilibrium. Deficiency of sodium leads to muscular cramps and there is difficulty in transmission of nerve impulses. And table salt provides us with sodium. Now let's move on to potassium. Potassium helps in nerve and muscle activity. It also helps in secretion of neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine. This basically helps for transfer of impulse from one nerve cell to the other. Deficiency in potassium leads to difficulty in transmission of nerve impulse. Potassium rich food are banana, potato, citrus fruit. Phosphorus helps in synthesis of nucleic acid, ATP, NADP, and deficiency of phosphorus leads to softness in bones. Phosphorus rich food are dairy products, cereals, beans, nuts, meat and egg. Now let's move on to micronutrients. We shall take up iron first. Iron helps in synthesis of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a pigment which carries the oxygen, and deficiency of hemoglobin in blood leads to anemia. Iron is found in whole cereals, fish, nut, egg yolk, liver, kidney, spinach, green leafy vegetables. One of the important micronutrients is iodine. Iodine controls the secretion of thyroxine hormone from the thyroid gland. Secretion of balanced amount of thyroxine is very essential as it controls the overall metabolic activity of the body. Deficiency of iodine leads to goiter and cretinism in children. Goiter is enlargement of the thyroid gland, and cretinism leads to poor mental and physical growth. Iodine is found in mineral water and seafoods, and iodized salt. We'll discuss vitamins in the next session. That's it for today, children. Take care. Thank you.